That there's a lot of us. I see about maybe, I'd say 5,000 people right now. Am I wrong? I see them. 2.5? Yeah, that's about 5. Anyway, I'm going to introduce this gentleman. I'm just asking you guys, please, every week, make a commitment, come out to a few of these. We're here every week. Strength in numbers, you're absolutely right, exactly. All right, so I just want to introduce a man who's a very hardworking businessman, entrepreneur, comes from a hardworking Italian family. One of us, salt of the earth, very good guy. I've got to know him a little bit over the last few weeks. He's attended some of our rallies too, so he's the real deal. Some people say he might be running for mayor as well. I'd like to introduce to you Danny Gazette.
Thank you, everybody. The same.